Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is who is Melchizedek? Melchizedek. So, Melchizedek is the priest of the Most High God. Melchizedek appears briefly in the Bible, but his role is very important. He was both a king and a priest who served the Most High God. When Abraham returned from battle, Melchizedek met him, blessed him, and offered bread and wine. Abraham honored him by giving it a tenth of everything. The Bible does not tell us where Melchizedek came from or when he died. The silence is unintentional. In Hebrews, God uses Melchizedek to help understand Jesus. Melchizedek is not Jesus himself, but a picture pointing forward to Christ. He shows us that Jesus would be the greater and eternal priest, chosen by God, not by family line, who brings blessing, peace, and salvation to his people forever. So, ayon po sa Genesis chapter 18, Genesis chapter 14, verse 18 to 20. Then Melchizedek, king of Salem, brought out bread and wine. He was priest of God Most High, and he blessed Abraham, saying, Blessed be Abraham by God Most High, Creator of heaven and earth, and priest to be God Most High, who delivered your enemies into your hand. So, ayon po sa ating katuruan, Abraham, victory belongs to God. So, ang tagumpay ni Abraham ay hindi dahil sa sarili niyang lakas o talino, even though he fought bravely. Alam niya na God is the source of victory. So, ipinakita ni Abraham na lahat ng panalo at success ay galing sa Panginoon, hindi sa tao. And Abraham honors God with his wealth. So, hindi nang madamot si Abraham. Instead, he honored God through his possessions. He willingly gave a portion of his wealth as an act of worship. And Abraham is zealous for God's glory. Mas mahalaga kay Abraham ang kaluwalhatian ng Diyos kaysa sa personal na pakinabang. And sa applications naman po, give glory to God alone and give glory to God through faithful giving and give glory for all His blessings. And ayun lang po, maraming salamat.